Hi, and welcome to this chapter. In this chapter, we will talk about Lightroom, Adobe Lightroom, and how you can edit and use presets to edit your photos. First, let's open Adobe Lightroom. In this case, we are using the classic version. Adobe Lightroom is a paid software, and it is a really simple software and tool to use to edit your photos. So this is the standard layout once you open Adobe Lightroom. Keep in mind we are using the Portuguese version. Um, Either way, the English version is the same. It's just the text that changes. So we will explain and you can follow with your mouse because the buttons are all the same. You can see on the top bar we have library, we have development, map, book, etc. We will focus every one of these and explain every one of these options. So what is the library? The library is a menu where you can import, export, and see every photo that you have on your computer. This will help you import pictures into Adobe Lightroom to edit them. As we've seen previously, raw files are the best type of files to edit them. Great news is that Adobe Lightroom allows raw files to be imported, so you can import your raw files if you want. The development tab is where you can, after importing your photo through the library, you can edit them, you can apply standard presets, paid presets, free presets, you choose, and then you can change the exposure, the contrast, the brightness, the shadows, the whites, blacks, etc. The map module lets you see where your photos were captured on a Google map. It uses, if available, GPS coordinates embedded in your photos metadata to plot the photos on the map. This works best with mobile phone cameras that already have this enabled. On the menu, using the book module, you can design photographic books and upload them to print websites. You can also save your books as Adobe PDF or individual JPEG files. About the slideshows, most of the work of creating slideshows in Lightroom Classic is done in this module, Slideshow, where you can select layout templates, choose transitions, and set playback options. You can also print photos in this module. The print module lets you specify the page layout and print options for printing photos and contact sheets on your printer. The left panels contains a list of templates and a preview of their page layouts. With the web module, you can easily access, organize, and share your photos. Adobe Lightroom on the web also allows you to edit photos using cropping, making adjustments, and applying presets. You can use Lightroom on the web on their site, lightroom.adobe.com, and you must sign in using your Adobe ID, Facebook, Google, or Apple account. So to summarize, this is the basic layout of Adobe Lightroom. You will work more. Usually people work more with library and development. Library to import the pictures into the program and development to edit these pictures in Adobe Lightroom. In development, again, you can use the highlights, the contrast, the blacks, the whites, the exposure to the tone curve to edit better your photos. In the next chapter, we will take a look at how to download and how to use presets.